explorers! Welcome back to Nature Academy. I'm Ruby Fox, and today we're going on another amazing adventure. I have a very tiny surprise for you. Can you believe something this small can grow into a giant tree? I don't know how that's possible. Let's discover the secret together. Wow, you're enormous.
Hello, Ruby. What brings you here today?
I found this. Can something this tiny really become a tree as big as you?
It certainly can, but it takes time. Many years ago, I looked exactly like that tiny seed.
No way!
Everything in nature begins small. A tiny seed can become a giant tree. A tiny egg can become a bird. A tiny caterpillar can become a butterfly.
That's amazing!
Let's plant your seed. What do you think the seed needs? Sunshine, water, healthy soil, fresh air. These are the seed's helpers.
Look! The seed is waking up.
The roots grow first. They drink water. They hold the plant safely in the ground.
So roots are like giant drinking straws. It did it!
The little plant is reaching for the sunshine.
What are leaves for?
They are little food factories. They use sunshine, water, and air to make food. It's becoming a real tree.
Growing takes patience. Trees help so many living things.
We give animals homes. We clean the air. We make oxygen. We provide fruit and seeds. We keep the earth cool.
Thank you, trees. Stand up, everyone. Let's pretend to be a tiny seed. Now the rain falls. Wiggle your roots. Reach for the sunshine. Grow taller. Stretch your branches. Open your leaves. You've become a giant tree. Today I learned, big things often start very small, and growing takes patience. See you next time, little explorers.